In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add automatic captions in After Effects. So, since After Effects does not have a feature that allows us to make auto captions by default, unfortunately, even though we pay like $40 per month for Adobe subscription, we're gonna use the auto captions pack provided by the AE Juice plugin. So, if you have AE Juice Pack Manager installed and ready, go to the window menu and click on AE Juice Pack Manager 4. Now, in the search box, we just type in auto captions. And this is the pack that I'm talking about. Here, you have all kinds of different animation templates for your text. For example, here we have the iconic pop-up animation for subtitles in short format content. You can just try these out one by one if you want, and see what works best for your videos. We also have that trendy color animation used by music media and other viral content creators. And I mean, if you watched my tutorial on how to replicate this text animation in Premiere Pro manually without this plugin, it was a pain in the butt, let's just say that. However, with the auto captions pack, we can just simply double click on the animation that we want. It's gonna say downloading files, but it's not gonna take a long time. And then we can set the audio source, basically the voiceover that we're gonna transcribe and turn into captions. We can either select an audio clip that's already on the timeline, or import a new one directly from our computer using the file option right here. Source language to auto, you can capitalize your captions or leave them in a lowercase. Let's set the position of the captions at the bottom of the video. And as you can see, we have more customization settings that we can tweak. You could also auto-translate your captions. Let's say the voiceover is in French and you want the text to be in English. You can just do that with this setting right here. And by the way, this is very cool because they have this feature where you can add emojis based on what the speaker is talking about. Especially if you're working with a TikTok or a YouTube short, this could come in handy to make your content more engaging. You could also have other customizations like removing pauses between narrations and removing profanities, etc. But once you're done, just click OK and the plugin will automatically create the captions for you.
A few moments later.
If you're having trouble falling asleep, take a look at how much starch you're having. I don't recommend gorging yourself with starch late in the day, but having some starchy carbohydrates in your final meal, which...
If you want to change a specific word, for example, or add a different size to your text, or change the font or color, you can click on this button and do just that. I highly recommend you get this pack from AE Juice. If you want to check it out, go to the link in the description, and a discount will automatically get added using my specific link. Click on free trial if you want to try it out first. Install the AE Juice Pack Manager if you haven't done so already. And I have an entire video on AE Juice in general where I dived into different other packs, etc. It's basically like a bundle of plugins all bundled up into one giant bundle. If you want to watch that, here it is. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful.